Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create a channel on Telegram. Creating a channel allows you to share updates, news or content with a large audience efficiently. So, let's get started on how to create a channel on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. In the chat section, tap on the pencil icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the New Channel option. Tap on the Create Channel option. In the provided field, enter your channel name. You can also include description in the description field. Tap on the Next button in the top right corner of your screen. Here, decide whether you want your channel to be private or public, and tap on the Next button again. Select the users you want to add to your channel. Tap on the Next button one last time to complete the creation of your channel. And this is how you can create a channel on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.